Kini Reservation Meghalaya ban ipriang sobhai pi baro syakani kutup khobor menta ke janmit syabangin pai khobor ki babnya ngini pet syai ki mat ki bakongsan Boy kumbah Henry Paway point khat kendai na kashispa kinong tap vote ha ka election assembly Haryana Yap sangut na ki jingshlei bat jingtwa khendo harilom Garo Pinbor ki riu sanperthai ha Meghalaya ban pinkalai ka jingpha kam hapdeng ka jingnang kiu jong ki pat riulom On pendon kam ka sarkar Meghalaya da kaan ban set patok ban te la kam ya ka yakinong khai drop Bat tirwa ka UDP banbo ya ka jakap Penyeng kali lani ki terminal point ban pelat nak jing thang kali ha Shillong. Ki khobor ki babnya. Ka jing thap vote nak benta ke election shaki yang darbar thau an jong ka Haryana kala sakhi ya ka jing wan thap vote ka balong Henry Paway point khat khandai nak shispa ha ka ba ka jing thap vote kalong ka bayat bet ya jenti ha ka leng ka jilla. Kinong tap vote na baro ki jat benriu kentup ikirang ba ki batam ya ka spa snem kilay shimbenta da ka jinkmen kabakam kongsan kalong bala pentre kam ya ka jing tap vote hayeng na ka benta ki tu ki balapalat praposan snem bat ki briu ki badon jingduna ha ki de khotmen kanusep jong ki shihajar life huwengut ki kirtong ba kentup ikiriu paukmat kum Menteri Rangba ba Shipor Unayap Singh Saini bad Menteri Rangba Barim u Bhupender Singh Huda minta laset haki EVM ha ka ba ya ka result on sapin bna ha ka pratarik minta ubnai Karilom Garo kalamat ya ka jing e ka bakraw namar ka jing ther ulapba kabalawan ra ya ka jing twa khendo bunsin bat ka jing shlei kablashim ya sangot ki mensim briu ha ki laitali ki jing ja ba pher uwe nong hikai bat ukhon jong u ki la sha rong no shakawa bugai kat ba uwe uding ula kelon halor ka we ka kali ha ka ba unongnya ula khlat no bat saungot ki we pat ki lamen saw ka jing thwet kedang ya shakmat bansei ki hindriungot ki bahayeng ki bla sha tap ha ka jing twa khendo bat ka we ka keme bat ka khon kin thei ru ki lakhlat ha ka we pat ka jing twa khendo harong jeng Menteri Rangba ka jilla u konrat ke sangma ula bishar benya halor ka jing shlei bat betha yiki bor penya district bakin pan jingerap na ka sarkar na ka benta ki kam ai jingerap ubu hakmat e ban marmot iki surok ki bakongsan ki bla shakta ha ka jing shlei Ki benta jong karilom Garo kamtam ka dalu block ha West Garo Hills but Gaswapara block ha South West Garo Hills kila shakta jur ha ka bor maryang bun ki nong shong shlong kila do no ya ki yeng ki sam ki tiar ki tar ki jingri bat ki bait bathon namar ka jingtwa khendo bat ki surok kila shak khang ha ka ba kat tu kat ni ki jingking kila shak pin julor ne shak rong no ha ka jing shlei kat kum ka jing pintip u block development officer ka dalu block la do ai khat arngut ki men sim brio ki seng tremon ngobha bat ki nongtem natura da ka ba yo jingkershan na ki nongtre ka dalu block but na ka state disaster response force ki lapen long ya ka jing ai jingerap bat sam ya ki jingdon kam ba kongsan Ka United Democratic Party UDP kalaterwa ban pinkiu ya ka combined reservation na ka benta ki jat bin riu KHASI jantia bat Garo na ka prapho na ka shispa shaka prapho lai na ka shispa da ka bakdo ya ka jingkiu ka jingdon ki pat riu lom na kumba prapho na ka shispa house nem khat kendai spa nyo phaway shajan prapho riu na ka shispa house nem 8000 khatway U General Secretary ka UDP uba Jamino Mautho ula kirshan banbo kerpang praposan na kashispa hakikam bamla ban pinkendria haki district na kabenta ki nongshong shnong bapura ki bakren ya kaktin lajong hakawai kalyang kabayade bat kani u MLA ka VPP uba Adelbert Nongrum ula terwa ya kurukom thungkam kabamang sanpho na kashispa na kabenta ki KHASI jantia bat laipo na kashispa na kabenta ki Garo Da ka bamaham ba lada om priang yakane on hab ban pentri kam da ka combined reservation ka ba prapon riu nakashispa kat kum census jong usnam arhajar khatwe. Kani ka jing terwa ka kenthop ya ka jing ai jing mut nakinong yelam ka BJP uba ALHEC bat uba san borshulai. Kumju ru na unong yelam ka UDP uba Meril Bon Sim. Ubala khot ru ban bishar benya ya ka rukom bhakam ka bamenta.
So we as a party, we would like to look objectively at this reservation policy. Although the framers of this policy at that point of time, when we got a statehood, they, in their wisdom, have given this formula in the best interest of the people of the state. But for so many years, there has not been a review of this reservation policy. So by giving our views, our submissions, not only from our side, from different stakeholders, I hope that the expert committee will come out with some kind of a formula which will be acceptable to all the stakeholders in the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Ketat Social Welfare uba Paul Lingdo ulapen pau baka sorkar kadangnya kunting ya kajing di drok hak jilla Meghalaya da ka bapendon kam iki an banyele persha iki nong khai drok. Haba jubab ya ki jingken tho ya ka program Dream jong ka sorkar ulabanjur bakat ba ki breu kidang latlut ban pen pau ya la ka jong ka jingmut ka sorkar kadang penlet jingmut hakikam ki jongka. Uba Paul wa kentho ru badon ki nong kentho ki ba don ki jingmut ki basniu ka bamut bakasur jongki kanang hyar klem ka jing kentho.
The safest way for them is to criticize us. Let them keep criticizing, we'll keep doing our work. We are doing whatever is best for us to do. If they don't criticize, they will cease to exist. So they criticize in order to be seen and to be heard. This year, we have been able to invoke provisions of preventive detention for drug traffickers. This has never happened in the past. But for any NGO to place the government would be for them to be seen as being pro-government. So the safest way for them is to criticize us. Let them keep criticizing, we'll keep doing our work.
Kaseng United Democratic Party kala kentu ya ke sorkar jela banbu ya ki jaka penyeng kali lani ki terminal point na kebenta ki kali ki bawan na ki weipat ki district banyarap pinduna ya ke jingtheng kali hanong ba Shillong. Kinong penya jong kaseng ki lakdo ba ka jingkhap nya kala nangjur bat ladon kam ban shim ya ki lat ki lenti ban ailat tangi ki kali ki badon kam kerke ban rung shipok kanong ba. Kat ba ki weipat ki kali kin hap ban penyeng no ha kini ki jaka. Kaniga sinjam katmu ban kintiu ya ka jingyat bet jongki kali bat ban pinbha ya kalet kawan habaro kiliang ha Shillong.
Civic amenities. When we talk about so many things related to urban governance and administration, time and again from our side we had given our suggestions to the government, and I hope that the government this time will take the matter very seriously. We need to come together, the synchronization of these different departments, because it has to be a multi-pronged approach. It cannot just be one approach, right? And then when we talk about the traffic flow that is coming to the city of Shillong from the different districts, now this is also a cause of concern. So there has to be some kind of terminal points where these vehicles coming from different districts can stop in one place and should not be allowed to enter the city of Shillong. Only those vehicles who are being given the permission to enter, let them enter, so that it will ease the traffic congestion to a certain extent.
Menteri Ketat ki kam jengok kai ke jela Meghalaya uba Paul Lingdo ulapen bena ba ki jingking jiri ha ke jela lani ki living root bridge kiladon hapok kethup jing ithu jong ka UNESCO. Ha ke jing let mi khmat jong ki dekot dangshen bala lam khmat da menteri kilaya kendo ya ka Simona Mirella Miculescu ka Presiden jong ka 42nd UNESCO General Conference ban kintiu yakini ki jingking ba kerpang ha ka jingpen I sheki he officer ka UNESCO. Uba Lingdo ulamat pang halor ka jing start bat jing shampang jong ki breu ha ka ba shnai kini ki jingking bat pin pau ya ka jing trang jong u na ka benta ban pin ithu ya ki shaka perthai.
our living roots bridges, which we have by way of a presentation introduced to the highest officials of the UNESCO, is a marvel of engineering. And each of these bridges normally last for hundreds of years. And therefore, getting the UNESCO stamp of recognition would mean that we take them to the global level.
Menteri Ketat ki kam jengok kai perthai ke jela Meghalaya ubak pol lingdo ulapen bena ya ka jing thmu ban bo ki welcome arch bat ke stage ba pauna ma Shillong ban ai khublei ki nong wan jengok kai kani ka sin jam ha ka balayo ban yamir jingmut bat ki menteri sarkar ha tourism and arts and culture ka angnot ban kintiu ya ka jing shampang jong ki nong wan jengok kai da ka penyo kum kadak ka jing pedang sobha bat ka jaka bani shimbenta kum ki nong put nong tem bat ki nong roi ya kani ka project lakmi lenti ban pendap hashwa ka Christmas menta usnam.
Visitors to Shillong should immediately upon arrival see a prominent. The plan is that visitors to Shillong should immediately upon arrival see a prominent signage that welcomes them to the music capital, which is Shillong, and we will be installing a welcome arch and a stage which will provide space for musicians and buskers to perform and entertain visitors and the public, and there will be that immediate sense that someone has arrived at the music capital.
Kalumpung yelek kai baningkong jongka North East Cricket Development Council Senior Women Interstate Friendship T20 Tournament kalakut no hakaba ka jela Nagaland bat ka Sikkim kilaysam ya kanam lado hadin baka jingilek kai final kala sha penthut na ka jingsniu jongka sunbeneng hamadan yelek kai cricket hapam sning nongkra hinin kasngi kiriu pau khman kiba layadon lang hakani kasngi kenthop ya u Diki di Shira Director ke Sports and Youth Affairs ke jela Meghalaya bat umamun majandar ubadei u dukhot ke Board of Control for Cricket in India kum shibenta jong ka soskular ka Sikkim kan bat yakani ke trophy kumba henriu bnai hasha bakan IT pat shakanagalan. Ka Israel Defense Forces IDF ka lapelat ya ka video ka bapinpaw ya ka jing persyang jongka ban itho bat khang damno ya kilenti napok khendo lani ki tunnel jongka Hezbollah ha Lebanon da ka bakam bakin pinpra hado arspa san phomitar ki jingte jongka ni ka kunhun king atyar kat baka IDF ka lapentip bakalap ikitiar ki ba lathmu ban thombo da ya ka Israel kinong pathai khubor kimshim la ban Pinshisha ya kay jaka kibala pin iya kani ka video lani kitarik. Kani ka jinglet rung jongka Israel napo khando sa Lebanon ka day shibenta jongka jingkenra ka Israel persha yaki Hezbollah katba ka jingdap snem jongka jinghyarthma jongka Hamas haka nyotarik urisau kalajan. Ka Killing United Football Club kalalong kaladu haka jingilek kai final jong ka first knockout open football tournament. Dakba pinram no ya ka arsut nga football club da iwe lanot Hamadan football jorbil. Haka ba ka jingilek kai final jong ki khinashin rangpat ka RBYF Laishnong unit kala pinram ya ka Joplin football club da lai lanot. Kum kaladu ka Killing United Football Club kalayo ya ka trophy bat ka pisa ka balong shilak tingka. Katba ka RBYF Laishnong unit kalayo shipho hajar tingka ringkat ka trophy halor ka jingjob jongki. Hakani kasngi lawan yashimbenta da u sports secretary ka KSU uba Eric Nongkenri bad unong yalam ka RBYF uba Neversat Makado. Da ka jingtmu ban kintiu ki samla ki kamele kai bad ban pinshai pat ba ru shapang ka jingstiu jong udrok. Da ka bakentu ki shnong ki thau ban yateli ban yele persha.
Bạn người fans bạn Yuri và Hakni Kasmi là ni athlete team và Hakni Kasmi in salah ban sakhi manu kita ki bakamna Kasmi pon kia ban ban lai ba ni gaza jinakai kami sudah mensilakai melen mulai kalian orang kami entah jemur isim ya kini karinsan bahkan dari lak namta jumpi pinangla bankil sa kiripat kitendam.
Bintang ini pet ya kejinglong jingman kesun beneng hanong ba Shillong. Kajing kriat kalong katsan 0.1 degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpaway 0.9 degree Celsius. Kajing skam kahaw-haw kalong kandai paway na kashispa akapor step bat prapopra na kashispa akapor janmit. Kala bandon kajing hap slap kabamalumala bat kajing tit upertat habun ki jaka. Shaban poish kabukot jong katup kubor ni pet biang sa shisin kimat kibukongsan. Poi kumbahan riu paway pon kat kandai na kashispa kinong tep vote haka election assembly ha Haryana. Yap sangut na ki jing shlei bat jing tua kendo hari lom Garo. Pinbor ki riu san perthai ha Meghalaya ban pinkalai ka jing bha kam hapring ka jing nangkiu jongki riu lum. On pendon kam ka sarkar Meghalaya da kaan ban set patok bat te lakam yakinong khai drop. Bat tirwa ka UDP ban bu yaki jaka pinyeng kali lani ki terminal point ban pelat na kajing heng kali ha Shillong. Ti parlok kat tungi lapoi syaka bukot jong katup kubor jingi minta ka janmit haduk minesyam biang la syai kasngi kublai pi barok.